Hi, subscribe to my channel Shobha Rana for more.
Relationships being 50-50, that is one idea that is floating, कि 50-50 होना चाहिए. अगर उसने बर्तन साफ किया तो तुमको खाना बनाना चाहिए, या उसने ये किया तो तुमको वो करना चाहिए, which is what I feel is a very flawed concept. I feel relationships are never 50-50. If I see for the relationship with my mother, there are times when she is 80 and I'm 20, and there are times when I'm
100%.
80 and she is 20.
And you said it yourself.
So what are your, like, I want to ask from a relationship coach's perspective, a therapist perspective, what are your thoughts there? Because whenever I get into these conversations with my circle of influence, I am not in favor of 50-50 for anything. Like, इस बार तुमने पे किया चेक के लिए तो उसके बारे में मैं करूंगा. You can't be so calculative in relationships, and the only relationship we get calculative in is with our partner. We don't get so calculative with, let's say, our friends or even our family, our siblings, our parents. We are all about, like, let's say, give or take.
Yeah.
But with our partners, we want to just want to walk on this very hard line of 50-50 balance. What are your thoughts there?
Unfortunately, when we get into a relationship, और relationship भी भूल जाओ, चलो आप कुछ भी कर रहे हो ना आपके लाइफ में, तो सबसे पहला सवाल आप ये पूछते हो, what's in for me? बिजनेस डाल रहे हो तो आप पूछोगे what's in for me? आप रिलेशनशिप में जा रहे हो, what's in for me? तो because we are so self-centric that we constantly think about कि if I'm putting my hard yards in, the person has to equally or more put the hard yards. Not necessarily, because not every single day you're going to operate on 100 or 80. Sometimes you're going to operate on 80. Some days you're going to be at 20. And it's about a fair balance where you both understand without having to communicate. When you come back home tired, you don't have to tell your partner something ki, I'm so tired today, you look after this. Or maybe it's like you both understand where you both are coming from. And it's a fair balance. So I'm saying 50-50 wala situation. So even it's a, of course,
You think होता है, होना चाहिए?
it's a flawed
Very flawed
perception.
concept.
But more than that, there are times जब एक दिन मैं सारा कुछ कर रही हूँ, but there comes a time जहाँ पे without me asking to, see this again, the onus is on your partner also somewhere, कि जहाँ पे you and your partner, you both have to understand. ठीक है कि अगर your partner has done everything, let's talk about from a daily your household chores perspective. So if your partner has done everything, तो तुम्हारी भी एक understanding होनी चाहिए, because let me also be there. Look, when I say sharing household chores or maybe bills or whatever, it's not that you're helping your partner in sharing 50-50. No, if anything, it shows that you value your partner. You value your partner's time, effort, and you value that partner's individuality. And which is why I think the onus is on both of you कि अगर my partner has put, has done something, अगर आप दोनों ही constant effort डालोगे, right? देखो, एक डाल रहा है, एक डेबिट कर रहा है, दूसरा क्रेडिट कर रहा है, एक डेबिट कर रहा है, पहला वाला क्रेडिट कर रहा है, तो अगर सोचो आप दोनों उसी पर्सपेक्टिव से आ रहे हो कि लेट मी डेबिट, तो इट्स गोना ओवरफ्लो ओनली ना, एंड आई थिंक इन गुड स्पिरिट्स, राइट? तो यू बोथ शुड कम फ्रॉम अ स्पेस जहाँ पे what can I do to make my relationship better, which also means that you don't have to calculate कि अच्छा today I'm in a mood to cook something or make something, or maybe today I'm in a mood to help her or him in something, maybe I want to help him in a project, but he's already doing it, so let me not do it. नहीं, अगर आपको लगता है आप करो ना, that doesn't mean कि he is currently operating at 80 तो I should not put my, और he is operating at 100 right now, तो I don't have to put anything. अगर तुमको लगता है कि तुमको भी और 80 डालना है तो डाल दो. तो there's no such thing as calculation, क्योंकि आप 100 पे कैलकुलेट कर रहे हो, that's the top notch you can rate, but you can go beyond that, right? अगर वो 100 डाल रहे हैं, आप भी डाल दो. So I think the whole concept is flawed. Second, if you both come from a space जहाँ पे you both have to put the hard yards in, you think how, one simple question you ask yourself every single morning, what can I do to make my relationship better today? That's it. Simple as that. I don't think your relationship requires like a 100-step formula.
Correct.
It just requires you to ask yourself, what can I do to make my relationship better today?